Hello everyone, this is NCRT of 10th standard and today we are going to solve exercise number 2.2. First question we will solve. Here we will use the concept of relation between 0 and coefficient which is minus b by a and c by a. Very important lecture this is, and lecture is going to be very interesting and amazing also. So all student, now let us see first question. I will just directly show you question because some basic description, the basic concept actually I have already taught you, but the concepts were not clear. Yes, I accept concepts were not clear for all students. You were confused at that time little bit. So the same thing again I'm going to show you, but using some question, using practical thing. Okay, now you say me yes, Sohit. Yes, that I know. Okay, then I said you that sum of zero. For example, if authentic polynomial, any polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is equal to zero. Okay, this is the form of quadratic equation. So if it's zeros, you will find zeros means for c. First question, if you will factorize this is equal to 0, you will put, then x2 value you will get. So that is what, that is 0. Okay, for example, let me solve for you. X square minus 2x minus 8. Okay, see the question says find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial and verify relationship between zeros and coefficient. So you know very well how to find zeros of any polynomial because we have learned these things in last year, 9th standard. Okay, so easily first we will find zeros of polynomial. In 2 mark question will come. This is very important question. You can say it most IMP also. Okay, generally every time, almost every year, this comes in 2 mark in section B. So this question you cannot skip. Okay, now first, we will factorize this polynomial. So, this is 1. Okay, you also know. So, coefficient of x square is 1. Okay, 1 adds a 8. Now, by subtraction, 2 should become, okay, by subtraction, okay, by subtraction, 2 should become, by multiplication, 8 should become. Okay, so that type of factors we have to find. Yes, you tell me. For 2's are very simple. Okay, so x square minus 4x plus 2x plus 8. Here you can see I have put minus sign for 4x and plus for 2x because minus plus minus, minus 4x plus 2x, so minus 2x will come. Okay, and now x is common, x minus 4 plus 2, wait, this is minus 8 not plus 8. Here you have to be very much careful about sign. In any hustle bustle, if you will put na something wrong, so time will waste and after all marks will not come. And here 2 is common. Okay, so 2 is common, so x minus 4 again will come. Now x minus 4 and x plus 2 will come. Okay, this you all know how to do. So x minus 4 and x plus 2. Okay, x minus 4 is equal means x is equal to 4. So simple. Okay, some steps I am cutting here. And x is equal to minus 2. So now it denoted to 1 mark. Up to here if you will write, so 1 mark you will get. Up to here, if you will write in 9th standard, then 2 mark you will get. But in 10th standard, up to here you will write, then 1 mark you will get. This is the difference between two levels. Yes. That are the factors of equation. And but you have to write properly. You have to write here. This is nothing but your p of x is equal to always zero. I haven't written here because I taught you so many times, so that I haven't written here. But this is when you write. So every time you have to write properly like this. Okay. Because when you will compare to the zero, then and then you will get x is equal to zero. So now here, let me mention these called factors of the given polynomial. Factors, and this which I have tick mark right now is called zeros of polynomial. The difference between this both thing above mentions this one, that is the factors of polynomial, and the below mention which are that is the factor that are the zeros of polynomial. Okay. Now, which new thing you have to learn? And yesterday, something I have to explain is relationship between zeros and coefficient. Okay, ભાઈ તમને આ zeros તો મળી ગયા. આની relationship, okay, relationship means which type of relationship? So sum of zero and product of zero is called relationship. Now you will ask, sir, why not subtraction of zero? Why not division of zero? Because that don't come in syllabus. In syllabus means I have never seen this type of. Okay, probably it is also possible that for that any formula is not there. બધી વસ્તુની ફોર્મ્યુલા ન મળતી મીન્સ minus b by is equal to sum of zero and c by is equal to product of zero. These formulas are applicable for everywhere for any quadratic polynomial. But it is probable that subtraction of zero and division of zero, there are no some particular formulas are there which should be applied. You can apply anywhere. એવું ન મળતું હોય તો એના formulas ન હોય. Okay, so we will learn just two relationships. One is sum of zero, second is product of zero. Okay, then now here you can call it alpha and you can call it beta. Okay, here two values of x which you can see here. First you can call it alpha, second you can call it beta. Then two things now you have to get: alpha plus beta, alpha into beta. So now if alpha plus beta, you will do alpha plus beta. So see here 4 and minus 2. So total answer, final answer will come 4 and minus 2. So answer will come 2. Obviously very simple 2. Okay. And here answer will come in multiplication minus 8. Okay. Okay, to get 2 and minus 8, to get 2 and minus 8, what you have to do? You have to solve first full polynomial, means you have to factorize that polynomial. After factorization, you have to get value of x, and then you can get this value plus and multiplication. Yes or no? But we have one more method. We have another method also. Is called directly. If you want to get without this factorization, directly if you say, sir, I don't want to factorize, directly I want to get value of alpha plus beta without factorization, without miss any solution, and simplify directly I want to get value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, then do you have any method? Yes, is called minus b by a. Okay, minus what? Minus b by a. So b, if you compare with authentic equation, okay, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, if you write now a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to constant term minus 8 itself. How can you forget this? This all thing we have taught. I have taught you in last year. Okay, c is equal to minus 8. Coefficients only you have to consider. Variable you don't have to consider. Very simple. See here, coefficient of x square is 1. Coefficient of x is minus 2. Minus 2 you have to consider, not just 2. Which sign you have to consider, because and c is equal to minus 8 itself. So a, b and c now we have. Okay, now if you substitute the value in this given equation, minus b by a. Okay, actually minus b by a is what? Minus b is what? Coefficient of x. So I will write in other words, in description you can write minus b. So I will first put minus sign. Okay, b is what? B is coefficient of x. So I will write here. Okay, coefficient of x. And what is a? Hmm? What is a? Yes, coefficient of x square. And now if you substitute the value, okay, then see minus sign first I will put. Okay, value of b, let me put minus 2. Minus into minus 2 upon a. A is what? 1. Okay, then minus minus plus 2 by 1 is 2. See, we got same answer without simplifying any polynomial. So now what you have to do? You have to get the answer by this method also. You have to get answer by this method also. 1 mark for this. Okay. In next question, I will show you properly how to write. Okay, this is just for your understanding purpose. In next question, properly I will show you how to write. Okay. So no, no. See here, alpha is for here, and beta is already 2. And here we don't get. Sorry, we didn't get value. This 2 is not the value of alpha, neither alpha nor beta. This is the sum of both. This is not particular. Listen, this is not particular. This is sum of both. Okay, and for next one, what for multiplication? Okay, your question. What for multiplication is called C by A. Okay, what is C by A? Okay, what is C? C is what actually? C means constant term. So I will write here constant term. Okay, C is constant term. So that's why we are writing C every time. What is C? C means constant. Okay, there is a particular reason for every alphabet, for every sign. Why we are writing particular Z sign only? Why not other? So there is particular reason. Okay, now here again A. So same thing we will write here, which I have written coefficient of x square only. Coefficient of x square. Okay, now let's substitute this value. C is equal to minus 8, as you can see here, minus 8 upon A is equal to 1 only. Minus 8 by 1, so minus 8 only. Okay, so see here minus 8, and see here also we got the same answer, minus 8. But here we got the answer from the simplification, and here we got the answer from direct formula. Okay. Now question can be twist. They can ask you sum of 0 means alpha plus beta is equal to 2. Alpha into beta is equal to minus 8. See, intelligent question I'm going to ask you. Listen carefully. You have to answer. Alpha plus beta is equal to 2. Alpha into beta is equal to minus 8. Find the particular value of each. Means find separately alpha and beta. How you will find? Hmm? Nobody? Just just try. Nothing is given. Just listen. I am going to write this. My question I will write here. See in this box. ખાલી આ બોક્સ સિવાયનું કાંઈ આપ્યું નથી એટલું યાદ રાખજો. Alpha plus beta is 2. Alpha into beta is equal to minus 8. Alpha is equal to how much? Beta is equal to how much? This is the question. So it's not that much hard question. Huh? Don't know? Girls? Why girls are not replying for so long period? Hmm? Hello? Students, are you there? Okay. Okay. You don't know doesn't matter. Okay. Here we can use the substitution method. Okay. Substitution is actually it's not that much new for you. Here you can make alpha as a subject. Okay. So alpha is equal to 2 minus beta now. Let me 1 minute. Let me put this thing in new slide. Alpha plus beta is equal to 2. Alpha into beta is equal to minus 8. Okay. Then alpha is equal to how much? Beta is equal to how much? Okay. Let it calls equation number 1. Let it call second. Okay. From equation first, we can write alpha is equal to 2 minus beta. Okay. Now put value of alpha in equation number second. Now instead of alpha, I will write beta. Okay, sorry, instead of alpha now I will write this value 2 minus beta. 2 minus beta into beta is equal to minus 8. Clear? Now 2 beta minus beta square is equal to minus 8. So 2 beta minus beta square plus 8 is equal to 0. Let me write in proper manner. Minus beta square plus 2 beta plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, still not satisfied because this is not the traditional method to write. First one should be plus only. So beta square minus 2 beta minus 8 is equal to 0. Let us change the variable. Okay. Now let us change the variable. X square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Now anything spark in your mind? X square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. See something? See this one. X square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Now if you simplify, then particular value of alpha and beta you will get or not? 4 and minus 2. And again if you will add, see this is the wheel, this is the wheel, this is the circle you can consider. From the question, see this was the question. This is the question. Okay. What I have done. Rewind, I'm going to rewind all these things because maybe you can be confused what I have done. But I want to make you perfect. My students should be perfect only. Anyhow, in any manner question will twist because if you see last year question paper, only 22 mark question were asked from textbook and remaining all was twisted. So my student anyhow they can twist the question, but my students should be able to solve any twisted question. So that I'm going to teach you everything from the base only, and I'm going to explain and I'm explaining you that also that how question can be twisted, in how many marks it can be asked, how much will you write, you will write, then how much marks you will get, everything I'm saying you. Now see what I have done. X square minus 2x minus 8. This was the question. From this question, I got the particular value of x and y by factorization method. Okay. Now you know this is alpha plus beta. Now from the particular value, I have just add that alpha plus beta I got, that is 2 into beta, that is minus 8. Okay. First step is over. હવે મેં આન્સર જે હતો ને એને જ ક્વેશ્ચન બનાવી નાખ્યો. બરાબર, જો આ સીડી હોય, માનો કે ધીસ ઇઝ લેડર ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, લેડર મીન્સ સીડી. જો તમે ઉપરથી નીચે ઉતરી શકો તો તમે નીચેથી ઉપર જઈ શકવા જોઈએ ને. ઓકે, સો from this, if you can get 2 and minus 8, then from 2 and minus get, you are able to get question also this. So तो मैं करूँ जो alpha plus beta I have written here too. Okay, now this is question, now this is not the answer. Here alpha plus beta is equal to 2 and alpha into beta is equal to minus 8 is the answer. Are the answer. Okay, but now here this both are the question. Alpha plus beta is equal to 2 into beta is equal to minus 8, and now from the question we got again same polynomial, x square minus 2x minus 8, otherwise you can write beta square minus 2 beta minus 8 is equal to 0. जो है ना भाई polynomial આવી ગઈ ને. ઓકે, x square minus 2x minus 8 આખું ચક્ર ફેરવું તમને. બરાબર, તો આ વસ્તુ છે. Again, if you will factorize these things which I have done here just right now, okay, if you will factorize this thing, again particular value, the same value just right now we people got same value, again you will get, and આમ નામ ગોળ ગોળ ફરતું છે. Again from that value you can add, again that will become question, again you will use, it's called right now which I have done here is called substitution method, otherwise method of substitution. So from the question I got answer, and from the answer I got question. You are clear what I have done? Hello, still not clear? Okay, doesn't matter. If still not clear, suppose, I hope it should be clear, but if still not clear, then also doesn't matter, because see, this is the just first question for you people, and anybody in just one question nobody can understand everything 100%, because even if I am there, suppose, so in one question even I cannot understood, and I cannot understand everything. Okay, so it happens, doesn't matter. Let me solve some few more questions. If minimum 50% even you got my word, then also it is good. If just 50% only if you get, then also it is good. Okay, and this lecture, as you can see, it is recording right now. So after completing this lecture I will upload this video, so afterward also you can see this video, okay, anytime. Okay, let me take one more question. Second question. Instruction I haven't dropped because now you know what to do. Okay, what you have to do. So instruction I haven't written, directly just question I have cropped. Okay, writing pattern. Now in this question I will show you in which manner you have to write. Okay, okay, then first instruction, now you know now, are you clear what to do here? Okay, okay, then now you have to write here Every time in this good manner I will not write, just one time I will show you, because every time that much time I will not waste. Okay, in board, suppose this is my question, and I'm student of board. Okay, so in this manner I will write. Okay, here P of x is equal to 4s square minus 4s plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, and now we have to get the value. So how we can get value? We have to factorize this one. 4s square minus 4. Here variable is s instead of x. Variable is s. ઓકે ઇટ એ તો ચેન્જ થાય, એમાં કાંઈ ફરક ન પડે. ABCD XYZ PQR ગમે તે હોય, બરાબર, એમાં કાંઈ ચિંતા નહીં કરવાની. Then here first I have to get value of s. You tell me how I will get the value of s. Tell me again. What you will tell, that I will write. Very good. Okay, in this manner also you can do, and then you have to factor means you have to take common. Okay, 2s is common, 2s minus 1 will remain, and 1 is common, so 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. And now 2s minus 1, 2s minus 1 again is equal to 0. ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ ની સાઇન હોય ને નીચે તો ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ ની સાઇન આવી જાય. મસ્ત ઓલું ડાયજેસ્ટમાં પ્રિન્ટેડ કેવું હોય, એક વર્ડની નીચે તે વર્ડ એવી રીતે લખવાનું. ઓકે, then 2s minus 1 is equal to 0, and 2s minus 1 is equal to 0 again. Then s is equal to 1 by 2, as well as again s is equal to 1 by 2. So this is our nothing but alpha, so that we can write, so that alpha is equal to 1 by 2 and beta is equal to also 1 by 2. 1 minute. In other manner also we can find this solution. It's not required to do this much long. If you use your smart mind and if you see this is nothing but perfect square polynomial. Okay, so if you don't consider, let me write by black pen. Okay, which I have written here black pen, that you don't have to consider in answer sheet especially. Okay, so in other manner you can write here 2s minus 1 wall square is equal to 0, because this is perfect square. See, first term is perfect square, the sign of middle term is minus, last term is also perfect square, so this is perfect square. You can write 2s minus 1 bracket complete wall square is equal to 0. Again same answer you will get. 2s minus 1 is equal to 0, and again 2s minus 1 is equal to 0, so s is equal to 1 by 2, again s is equal to 1 by 2. See, by another method, by perfect square method, again you get again you got same answer. Yes. Okay, now back to point. Okay, here alpha is equal to 1 by 2, beta is equal to 1 by 2. Then now sum of 0 is equal to alpha plus beta. So that is, you can see here, as you can see here, 1 by 2 plus again 1 by 2. So simple. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1. alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Okay. Now product of 0 alpha into beta, which you can say. So if you multiply this 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, okay, so 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. That is actually at totally bottom side. So maybe can you able to see 1 by 4 I have written. Okay. Now this was by formula. Sorry, this was by method. Now directly we'll get by formula the same answer. Okay, so what we have to write? Okay, now sum of 0. Sum of 0 is equal to, here one straight line you have to stretch. Okay, I will not properly able to draw, but okay. Now you have to write actually downside, but my screen is landscape, so that I'm going to write besides of it. Now sum of 0 is equal to minus b by a is equal to, first you have to write down all the coefficients. Means here value of a is equal to, b is equal to, c is equal to, okay, value of a is, reply fast, yes, reply fast, b is equal to, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 1. Okay. Okay, minus b by a is equal to, I will write here minus b. B is what? Coefficient. Coefficient of x. I don't have that much space, or some in some small font I have written, but you have to write proper manner. And a is coefficient of x square. Okay. Now if you substitute the value minus b, okay, minus sign as it is, b is equal to minus already 4 upon x square, a is what? 4. Okay, minus minus plus 4 by 4 is 1. Okay, see here 1 is there. Okay, 1 is there. Okay, this type of tick mark you don't have to do in exam. Okay, sum of 0 1, here sum of 0 1. Okay, now product of 0 is equal to c by a. C is constant term upon a is, now you all know, coefficient of x square. Let us put 1 and a is again 4 only. So 1 by 4, here also you can see 1 by 4. Okay. So now in last statement form we have to write thus. You can write in your word. Okay. Relationship. Now video is pausing, see, because laptop become too hot, because screen recording હોય ને એ જે હોય ને એ બહુ બેટરી ખેંચે અને લેપટોપ ગરમ કરી નાખે સ્ક્રીન જ્યારે તમે રેકોર્ડ કરો ને ત્યારે. ઓકે, thus relationship is verified. Relationship is verified. Now see, if it's not coming properly, then also doesn't matter, because I'm going to end this lecture and I will upload this video. So afterward you can see that video, and what I have said you can listen properly. Okay, so in last you have to write thus relationship is verified. So in this manner you have to write, see what I have written, totally clear without any mistake, and presentation should be very much good. Fonts means handwriting should be very much good. In this manner you have to write. Again, let me tell you, don't focus that much on my presentation, because I'm using pen tab, so that much fraction I will not get here. So if I will write in book either or on board, so good presentation compare of this I can do. But you just focus on concept, and presentation means in which manner I have written. Okay, so this, like this you have to write properly in exam, so you will get full marks. Okay, now you tell me. Yes. Yes. Not understood your question properly. Okay, you have written this one. Okay, you don't want to write minus b by a. You have just written this coefficient of x upon x square. Okay, then you will put these values or you will not put. Okay, that also you can do. Separate calculation also you can do. Okay, that is upon you. Marks will not cut. Okay, so like this, you should solve some questions. Okay, now some homework. Let me give you. See here, this is written. Okay, sum of 0 alpha plus beta minus b by a into beta c by a. And about cubic polynomial, tomorrow we will discuss. Questions will not come from cubic polynomial, but then also we will discuss. ખાલી તમને ફોર્મ્યુલા આવડતી હોવી જોઈએ, this one. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss. Now battery is too much low, so that I will not write much more. In short, I'm going to say you, see, this is, as you can see here, exercise 2.2. Okay, first two questions I have solved. Remaining four questions you have to solve, so that first question will totally complete. Like this only you have to do. Will you do this remaining four questions? Reply fast, my battery is going to die. And still, if you face any type of problem, then tomorrow we will solve and we will go ahead. Okay? Okay? Okay. Okay, then now thank you for this session. Tomorrow again on same time we will meet. Okay? Thank you. Because battery is not that much now. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.